Hey, this is Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we're going to do just a quick little walk around on this Encore GX, and then we're going to do a little ride along. For those of you wanting to know what stock number this is, it's a 2B200028. This is the Sport Touring model, so I'll quick show you a little bit of features here. So you got the parking sensors front and rear, and notice on this grille here, you have all these nice little red accents on the grille and then below on the fascia there too. That is specific to the Sport Touring model on these Encores. Real nice look, gives them a nice sporty look, hence Sport Touring of course. Black accents on the wheels as well there for you, specific to the Sport Touring as well. We've got a lot of features that we're going to go over in this. Blind spot monitoring, all the safety stuff people are looking for here too. A little ST for Sport Touring. And as you can see, there's more red accents down on the bottom bumper there as well. Dual exhaust tips going out of the front there, on the rear there as well. This is the dark moon blue metallic with ebony accents. So we're gonna check this out, take it for a ride, and show you some cool features on this brand new model that Buick has put out there for us. So Encore GX is gonna be a little bit bigger than the regular Encores. Very peppy, nice, real nice redesign. It's very technology driven inside of these. You have heads-up display that shines right on this little glass piece that comes right out of the dash. Very cool. Once you start up the vehicle, it basically pops right up. So then you can see it right on there, very clear. You see a lot of things. I know you're not gonna be able to see it, so I'm just gonna kind of tell you exactly what's on it. Between all your safety features, I'm seeing my miles per hour that I'm driving. I'm seeing the station I'm listening to, my lane departure warning with lane keep assist. Yes, the Encore has that. The Encore GX shows my adaptive cruise setting. Listen to that power this thing has. This is 1.3 liter, loving it. You've got the normal safety features that most all the Encores are gonna have as well. There's blind spot monitoring, backup camera, but it's got the cool tech that a lot of the bigger vehicles have. So you have this heads-up display that I mentioned. You've got adaptive cruise control, stop and go. You've got this rear view camera mirror, which is sweet. You can get 300% better visuals in front of you or behind you without having to look through people's heads. And of course, you just flick it back to normal here and it acts as a normal rear view mirror. But why have that on when you got this 300% better view? Great fuel economy with these as well, being they are still a 4-cylinder engine as well. You know, dual climate control. The nice thing, what I like too, is you can keep these in front wheel drive or put them into all wheel drive, whereas a lot of the SUVs now, it's all wheel drive on demand, so you can save that fuel economy there too. This does have the availability, and this one actually it does have it, the automatic park assist, so you press a button. Your radar detection in the vehicle is going to look for a perpendicular or parallel parking spot, and it will actually park itself right on there for you. And all you have to do is change gears and press on the gas or the brake, and then you'll see the steering wheel doing its own thing. Probably not going to demonstrate that right now, but take my word for it, it's really sweet. Heated seats, of course, heated steering wheel. You do have the new updated touchscreen with navigation, AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio. And this new navigation piece is very slick, very responsive as well. So I'm going to show you that real quick here. Look at this, just like a smartphone, that's how quick this interface is on this new navigation. Very easy to use if you've ever used navigation either on a smartphone or even like a TomTom Garmin. It's going to be very similar to that, but a lot quicker and a lot more responsive. Of course, you've got your normal Bluetooth and Wi-Fi hotspot as well. The nice thing is these are just as quiet as any Buick, just as capable. They've got the great fuel economy, 5-star crash test safety rated, and you have more bells and whistles, more features available. And now, which is new for Encores, you actually have yourself a power adjustable liftgate, which is nice. And of course, you have that little more room to have in that cargo area for you as well, if needed. So again, new model, really sweet. We're very excited about these here, and I think we're gonna sell a ton of these. So if you're looking for a mid-size SUV, 2 rows, but you don't want to break the bank, but you do want kind of those newer safety tech features and things like that, this is what you're going to want to get into, and you're going to find you're very, very happy with these, over the overall quality, the technology piece, and everything that you're going to get that Buick has to offer in this new Encore model that they've come out with. If you want to take yourself a test drive on one of these, you're going to be amazed. Give us a call, 218-829-3504. You can also visit us worldwide at millsgm.com. Call in, make an appointment, and we'll take you for a drive.